All right, today I'm going to show you how to use a Downy ball. Okay, so this is a Downy ball. It's for adding fabric softener to a top-loaded washing machine or a washing machine that does not have a fabric softener compartment for you to add this to fabric softener to. They make these Downy balls. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and then show you how to use it. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and rip this tag off really quick. And while I'm ripping it off, it has the instructions on it. It says, pour Downy to the fill line. All right, pull ring close, toss ball into fabrics, and wash. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take the ball right here. See, here's the Downy ball. And right here, it has a plunger plug right here. And what I'm going to basically do is I'm just going to press this in. All right, press this in like that. And now I can add fabric softener to the appropriate line. So right here it shows for medium, fill up to this line. For large, fill up to that line. And for extra large, fill up to that line. So I have an extra large load. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add Downy Wrinkle Guard. This is a fabric softener, fabric conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the large line. All right, so where's the large line at? It's right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it inside like this until I get to the extra large line. And so once I get to the extra large line, as you can see right there, I'm going to go ahead and take the fabric softener and put the cap back on it because I don't want that to spill everywhere. So I'll put the cap back on to the large line or onto the fabric softener. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this, and what the instructions told me to do was take this right here and pull it close just like that. And so once I have it closed, there's a little bit left at the top of it, but not too bad. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and toss this into the washing machine. So let me zoom in here. I'm going to go over there and walk into the washing machine and toss. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to toss it into the washing machine. All right, so let me zoom out a little bit. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to walk. And I'm just going to toss it in the washing machine and then run the load like I normally do. All right, and that's how you use a Downy ball. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.